Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can admit participants in Google Meet when they try to join your meeting. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, go to your meeting, start an instant meeting if you don't have one yet, and wait for it to load. So once you're here, what you will have to do is the participants that are trying to join will appear in the waiting room. So it should be right here. So what you will have to do is basically if you already have participants waiting here, you will just have to click admit next to each participant or accept to allow them into the meeting. And to admit all at once, you will just have to click either admit all or accept all if multiple participants are waiting. And by the way, only admit or accept trusted participants to ensure meeting security. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.